Guys, it's Orange70918 and welcome back to a brand new Roblox video. And today we are playing the Clown Killings 2 with CMG Ninja 06, which by the way, he is the clown. So let's get started into the video. Ah! No. Don't you dare. Stop. Don't. No! I hate you. I hate you. I hate you.
Oh, your brother's doing a great job, by the way.
With what? Did you just kill him?
Yep.
Of course you're gonna kill him.
Well, it's kind of my job. You know? If I kill everybody the first time, how many people?
You win the game.
I don't know how many people are left.
I don't know. Victims. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 victims left.
There are 13.
No, you have 8 victims to kill.
Oh, I see.
Making my way downtown through the scary woods, and nothing to do but trying not to get killed. Making my way downtown through the barn, trying not to get killed by the clown. Where is he? Oh wait, I thought I saw him, but... Is he close? Oh shoot, who is that? Oh. Someone's gotta keep look at... Oh, he's right there, he's right there. He's right there. Oh, he's close to us. He's close to us. He's right there! He's right there! Oh my god.
What's he doing?
He's just standing there. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Just stop moving! Stop moving! Ah! Run! Go! Go. I'm in the barn.
I made it behind the box.
Okay, I'm in the barn. Alright, I'm hiding through these like little yarn thingy.
He just came out of the barn.
Should I come out of the barn?
He's back. He's coming back.
Alright. I'm in the like yarn, no, not yarn, thingy.
I think he's in the barn. Yep. My video ended without me knowing. Forget this video. I give up this video.
Oh, come on.
I've tried so many times.
Is he right there? Is he out of the barn yet?
Nope.
No? Oh, I see you.
I didn't see him. I guess he is.
What the heck is this? Where's this? I can't see anything. It's too dark. What is this thing? Loading? Oh, it's one of those other things again.
He's inside the house.
The barn or the house?
The house.
Oh. I don't see no house, but
There's a house.
I'm just gonna stay in the barn. I think I see him. Oh no, that's some guy. I see you.
Up here. Turn your light off.
My light is off. Oh, in this house, he's in here?
Yeah.
Oh, I see him, I see him, I see him. Go, 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 go. Yes! We won!
Did you see how close he was to me?
Yes, we won.
Did you see how close he was?
No. I hid behind the house because he was right there, so.
Can you spare
Guys, I am the clown. Let's go!
Would you mind sparing me?
What?
Would you mind sparing me?
I don't know. Well, no, because you did kill me, so. This is my revenge now.
Oh, I just realized.
Get ready.
It's Chucky! I'm not responsible if you're scarred for life by that movie.
Oh.
Scared.
Where are you? Where are you?
I just saw someone. By the way, someone's outside the going to the police car. I thought that was you for a second. Oh, by the way, my phone might die.
There's what?
My phone might die any second, so I should probably plug it in.
Oh yeah, you should plug it in.
I'm far away from the police car now.
What are you doing?
What?
I said, what are you doing? Come on, I need to know where you are.
Am I the last one?
I don't know.
Ethan, go outside to the pool.
Shut up! No.
I was in the pool.
You were in the pool?
Yeah, I was hiding in the pool against the wall.
Oh my god. I hate you.
Me too, bro.
No.
But I love myself. I'm gonna go see if my mom's back yet.
Alright. Let's go. Alright, so we're going through the sewers right now, trying to find a way to hide or outrun the clown. Oh god, what was that? What the heck was that? Yep, okay then. Oh god, dead end, okay. Tell me this is like a maze. Oh, and the clown left. Okay. Wait, what is this room? Oh, is this like the zombie room or something? Who's there? What? Oh, it's the elevator shaft thing that like broke down. Okay. Ugh! What is... Alright, yeah, no, I'm not gonna be here. Bro, where's the clown? Oh, I think I hear him.
Yeah, he's right in front of me, and I'm hiding in a locker. He didn't see me.
I see you. What the heck? How did he not see you? What the heck? This girl's stuck in the wall. This girl's stuck in the wall. Angel Amy 136 is stuck in the wall. Her head is just her head's just peeking out. Her acorn hair is just peeking out over here. And then this room, she's just sticking out. Run! Go! Don't bring him into this room. Okay, I hid. I'm hiding. I'm hiding. Don't get me. Don't. See, is that him? No. Ah! It's him! He's right there. Oh, shoot. I think he saw me. Yeah, he saw me. No! He got me! No! He got me! God dang it. I shouldn't have peeked out. I'm an idiot! Alrighty guys, I think that will be the end of today's video. If you do want more of this, please comment down below. And me and CMG Ninja 06 will play this game again. Buy some clown killing merch here. No thank you. Also, the lighting is, wow, very bright. You can barely see my face. Yeah, also, please please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And do you have any last words?
Bye.
Alright, bye guys, peace out.